In this video we have listed the top 5 best compact router on existing market. We made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, durability, features, customer review and many more things.
Are you new viewers? You should connect with us clicking by subscribe button, then press the bell icon for next updates.
Best of 5. Porter Cable 892 horsepower router. Powerful router with 12 amp motor for smooth, reliable operation. Quiet, soft starting motor with full-time electronic feedback for constant speed under load. Variable speed control, 10,000 to 23,000 RPM, enables bit speed to be optimized for changing applications. Dual position switch allows user to cut power while maintaining control of the router. Save time with easy changes and adjustments from above the table. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Makita RT0701CX7 compact router. Variable speed controlled dial, 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, enables user to match the speed to the application. Slim and ergonomically designed body for increased comfort and control. Electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load. Soft start feature for smooth startups. Fixed base accepts industry standard template guides for convenience. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. EnerTwist variable speed compact router. Clear depth scales graduated in both inch and M for easy to read. Quick release cam lock system for easy depth adjustments and base removal and installation. Slim and ergonomically designed body for increased comfort and control. Vibration reducing cast aluminum housing and base for easy and smooth work. Spindle lock for quick and easy bits changes. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. DEWALT variable speed compact router. Durable 1.25 horsepower motor delivers the power to meet the toughest applications. Plunge base incorporates fine-tune adjustment rod for precise depth setting. Motor can be transitioned quickly and easily between fixed and plunge bases. Aluminum motor housing and base construction provides long-term durability. Large punch base platform provides added stability for heavier applications, and sub-base accepts universal template guides. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. Bosch variable speed compact router. Electronic variable speed motor and fixed base wood router kit allows for soft starts and microfine depth adjustments. Aluminum construction makes this one of our most durable routers. With the built-in constant response circuitry, your hand router will maintain a constant speed throughout the cut. Dual LEDs and clear sub-base ensure maximum visibility in operation. This versatile kit can be used for a broad range of applications. Check the description for best price and details.